I'm Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make air fryer donut holes or air fryer donut bites. This recipe is super easy to make. With just 6 ingredients, you'll have yourself the perfect tasty donuts to go with your coffee, hot chocolate, or tea. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. To make the dough for the donuts, I have some flour in a bowl. Now I'm going to add my baking powder. And we just need to add some baking powder to this dough so it will rise. Now use a fork and mix that baking powder with the flour. Now after mixing the first 2 ingredients, we are going to add our Greek yogurt. I am using the Greek Gods honey vanilla yogurt, full fat. Do not use low fat yogurt for this recipe or the donuts will not turn out the way they're supposed to. Now give that a good mix. After using the fork to mix it, go in with your hands. After combining all the ingredients with your hands, your dough should look like this. Now we need to so this dough is going to make at least 12 donut holes. So go in and tear some off the dough, and we're just going to roll this up just like so. And this is going to be our donut hole. And we're going to continue this process until we have 12 donut holes. After dividing my dough into 12 pieces, this is how they're looking. Now we're going to grease the inside of our air fryer basket. So what I like to do is put some oil, brush the inside. If you don't want to do it this way, you can easily just use Pam if you have Pam. After greasing your basket, place it back, turn on your air fryer, and we're going to set the temperature to 350. After preheating, we're going to add our donut holes in here, and just make sure that you leave some room in between because they will spread a little. So I'm going to add about 6 in here. And set your timer for 8 minutes. While our donuts are in the air fryer, we're going to melt some butter. I'm just going to melt this in the microwave for about a minute. Now, in a second bowl, add your sugar and your cinnamon. Give that a mix. This is how our donuts are looking after they're done. Now what we're going to do is place one in our butter, give that a toss, and add it to our cinnamon sugar. Give that a toss. This is how it's looking after adding the cinnamon sugar to it. Now I'm going to transfer it onto my platter. Hello guys, so my air fryer donut holes are ready. As you can see, don't they look amazing? I cannot wait to enjoy them. They literally took me like 30 minutes to put together. If you have all the ingredients at home, you don't want to leave your house and you're craving donut holes or you're craving donuts, whip yourself some and enjoy. Wow. Thank you so much for making donut holes with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.